Everyone, hello, bonjour, dobar dan, jumbo. Oh, I miss doing that with you. Okay, right, so last week we looked at geography and toys and the different continents. Can you remember them? Pause the video, talk to your parents, talk to your grandparents, talk to your siblings. See if you can tell them the 7 continents, okay? And then press play and we will continue. Okay, the week before we looked at toys and history, and we looked at what type of toys your grandparents would have played with, what type of toys your parents would have played with, what type of toys you play with, and then we thought about the future and what type of toys would future generations play with. Okay, so this week we're going to focus on science, and science is a massive subject. Okay, there's so much to cover, but we're going to focus on materials, okay? Do you know what materials are? Okay, pause this video. Again, talk to whoever you're with, grandparents, siblings, or if you're on your own, that's okay. Have a think, what are materials? Okay? So materials are everything around us, okay? What is everything made of? You know, this is a material, my table, the wall, this plastic, everything is a type of material, okay? So that's what we're going to look at today. So our learning ladybird is identify and classify different materials. So we're going to be looking at different materials and seeing what's similar, what's different, and describing them, okay? And some of the skills to be a successful spider we're going to need to be able to describe materials, and we're going to have to sort them, okay? I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to come on to our first task. Okay, year 1, I'm wearing a coat. It's a type of material, okay? It's a fabric. Let's say it's like a type of cotton, it's soft, okay? Now, I've got a problem. It's raining outside, okay? Should I wear this coat? Or should I wear... Or should I wear this coat? Okay, let's have a look at the 2 different types of coat. So the first one was soft, it was warm, and it was like a fabric, okay? This one, okay, it's lighter, it's not as heavy. It's got a different feel to it, okay? It feels more like a plastic than a type of cotton. So I would say that this coat, actually I'm going to ask you first. Okay, pause the video. Which coat do you think I should wear in the rain? The first coat or this coat? Okay, you should have paused it. The answer is this coat, because this coat is waterproof, okay? So if the rain hits this coat, it's just going to splash off. I'm going to be nice and dry, it's going to be fine. If I had the first coat on and it was raining, the rain is going to go through the fabric, through the material, okay? I'm going to get wet. So it's not going to be very fun. Hello. Okay, so year 1, I have got 2 circles, and because they cross over each other, there's now a new circle in the middle. So I actually have 1 space here, 1 space here, and 1 space here. So the idea is, I've been looking around my house and I've got some materials, okay, different types of materials. And now what we need to do is we need to sort them, okay? We're going to put the soft ones here, we're going to put the hard ones here, and the ones that are kind of soft, also kind of hard in the middle, where do you think we're going to put them? Yeah, that's right, we're going to put them in the middle. Okay, so, first of all, I have this. Okay. What type of material is this? It's glass. It's very hard. So I'm going to put it in the hard category. Next up, I have Actually, Alexander, if you're watching this, this is the kind of crystal rock that you gave me. So I'd say that this material is like a crystal. And this is extremely hard. That hurt my hand, okay? Next up, we have my hat that I love to wear. Keeps me warm. This is very soft, okay? We can bend it, we can squish it. So that's going to go in the soft category. Next, we have a pen. Okay? And this is plastic. And plastic can be hard and soft sometimes, but this plastic is quite hard. I can't bend it, so I'm going to put it in the hard category. Next, we have my keys. Okay, very hard. You can tell I can't bend it. Oh, that's hard. So again, in the hard category. Okay, now I have some cardboard from some noodles I must have had. It's empty. Now, yeah, it's kind of soft. It's hard, but it's also a bit soft. So I think the cardboard is going to go in the middle. Okay. Next, what material is this? Okay, it's quite hard, and it's wooden. Okay, it's wood. So I think this is going to go in the hard category. Okay, next I have a bouncy ball. It's squishy. This material is called rubber, okay? Like elastic bands. Yeah, this is rubber. It's a bit squishy. And I think this it's kind of soft, but it's also kind of hard. So it's gonna go in the middle. And then finally, I have a lovely silk dressing gown, okay? This is silk, very soft, okay? A little bit shiny as well if it's in the right kind of light. I can bend it, I can squish it. So again, this is going to go in the soft, okay? So have a little look around your house. Create 2 circles like this with a third one in the middle, and see if you can find some materials in your house and see if they are soft, hard, or in the middle. Okay, right, year 1, on to our next task. Well done for listening so far. Okay, year 1, I'm back. I've just quickly set up this table, okay? We are scientists today, okay? So we need to record our information. So I need you to do something similar like this. Maybe it's best to get your parents or somebody older to help you with this, okay? Make sure it's nice and neat. So let's see if we can read this. This one says object. This one says what material. And this one says properties, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to look at all the toys in your house, okay? Or wherever you live in your apartment, look at the toys. And I want you to put some different toys in here, okay? And then in this one, I want you to say, so if, for example, if you had a Action Man or a Barbie, you could put Action Man, Barbie here. Then you would say, what material is it? So I think it's plastic, okay? So you put plastic. And then the properties, this means can you describe it, okay? Is it hard? Is it soft? Is it smooth? Is it rough? Okay? Think about it. Touch, close your eyes, get your toy in your hand, touch it, okay? Feel the different parts and try and think of some describing words, okay, for the properties. I'm going to quickly do one and then show you so you know what to do, okay? Okay, year 1, we're going to do a live example. I've got my favorite toy. Bit rusty on the guitar. Okay, so look, let's have a look at this, okay? We've got a guitar. What's it made of? Okay, it's actually made of a few different materials, but the main material you want is wood, okay? So let's go to our books. Okay, let's see how I've set this out. Okay. So, look. Here we have the object is a guitar. I've wrote guitar and I've also done a picture. What material? The main material is wood. And the properties, okay? It's smooth, okay? There's no bumps. It's nice and smooth, okay? And it's also quite hard. Okay, so this is what I want you to do at home. I want you to find 5 toys. I know I don't have the most exciting toys, but I am an adult. So, yeah. So I want you to find 5 toys in your house, or 5 items, and then what material they are and what properties they are, okay? Have fun, year 1, and I will see you next week for our next topic lesson, where we're going to be making our own toys.